Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to enter your coupon codes on your Temu account, and now let's dive right in. Now to use or enter your coupon codes on the Temu account, just open up your Temu app on your phone, and after that, at the bottom of the screen guys, you can see all these options which says home, categories, you and the cart. Tap on that you settings first, and over here guys, you can see the coupons and offers option available over here on the your account section of the Temu app, and just below your reviews or your credit or above the credit balance on the coupons and offers, tap over there, and you can see guys, this is the place to enter your unused coupons. You can view your used coupons over here or your expired coupons over here. With that being done guys, over here where it says the enter your coupon code guys, and after that tap on the apply button at the right side of your screen, and that coupon code will be applied and the balance or that option will be available on your Temu account. And with that being said guys, this is how you apply a coupon code or enter the coupon code on your Temu account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.